John Adams here with Lefty Studios, and today I want to go over the Bulk BG Remover extension for Google Chrome. Now this extension will remove backgrounds in bulk on Canva, and that is something that Canva does not natively support. So this tool definitely bridges that gap and will help you be more productive with background removal on Canva. With that being said, if you're not on Canva already, you're going to get a pop-up like this when you click on the orange and white checkerboard extension button. And when you do this, it's going to tell you to navigate to a folder of your choice at Canva. You can just click the link here and it'll take you right over. From here, you need to create a folder if you don't have one already. Mine's called Remove the BGs. Once you're inside this folder, you need to add the files or the images that you want to remove the background from. And in this case, I've already got 3 here ready to go to show you how it works. You click the extension icon again. It's going to connect to Canva. Then you click Get Started, and you click the Start button. It's that simple. From there, it's going to go through each of your images. It's going to remove the background, and it's going to automatically download the background removed version of the image for you. That way you have it ready to go. And you can watch the status on the right as it is continuing to work through your images. Now, I've done this for up to 30 images, and it worked flawlessly. At the end, it's going to delete your images that you have uploaded because they're done. The backgrounds have been removed. So there is automatic cleanup as well. Now, I mentioned that I did this with 30 images, no problem. Just to let you know, there are absolutely no limits to the number of images you can do. The only limits are those that are imposed by Canva, which I believe they allow up to 500 images per day to have the background removed. So that's a Canva imposed limit, not an extension limit. Also, you must have Canva Pro or Teams. They do not allow background removal outside of their subscriptions. That is a Canva limitation, not an extension limitation. All right, so the extension is unlimited, 100% free, will not charge for it. Okay. If for any reason you need to stop the background removal job early, you can hit the stop button. Also, if you want to give me a little support, a little shout out or whatever, feel free to click on the Buy Me a Coffee link. It'll take you to my Buy Me a Coffee page, and feel free to contribute if you like. Again, that is not required. This is a free extension for unlimited use. Last but not least, if you have any issues with it, want to offer some feedback, suggestions, comments, concerns, anything of that nature, feel free to click the Contact Us link at the bottom on the extension, and it will open up the Lefty Studios website. That is my website. I'm currently working on it, so this may change, but for now, you can fill out this form. It'll send me an email, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. So I hope you found this helpful. I hope you find the tool super helpful. And again, if you have any questions, let me know. And then last but not least, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and this video. Again, I appreciate it with a heartfelt thanks, and I hope everyone has a blessed day. Thank you.